Cardano value equivalent to $0.3109 a coin. The present reach, $0.3070. $0.3238. The earlier day close, $0.3093. The change was plus 0.0016. Plus 0.52%. Backwards rate, United States dollars to ADA. Cardano value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Cardano cost expectation for July 2023. In the first place, cost at $0.29. Greatest cost 38 cents. Least cost 26 cents. The normal for the month 32 cents. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 33 cents. Change for July 13.8%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for August 2023. Initially cost at $0.33. Most extreme cost 39 cents. Least cost 30 cents. The normal for the month 34 cents. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 35 cents. Change for August 6.1%. Cardano cost expectation for September 2023. In the first place, cost at $0.35. Greatest cost 35 cents. Least cost 27 cents. The normal for the month 32 cents. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 29 cents. Change for September 17.1%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for October 2023. First and foremost, cost at $0.29. Greatest cost 29 cents. Least cost 25 cents. The normal for the month 28 cents. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 27 cents. Change for October 6.9%. Cardano cost expectation for November 2023. Before all else, cost at $0.27. Most extreme cost 29 cents. Least cost 25 cents. The normal for the month 27 cents. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 27 cents. Change for November 0.0%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. In the first place, cost at $0.27. Greatest cost 33 cents. Least cost 27 cents. The normal for the month 30 cents. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 31 cents. Change for December 14.8%. Cardano cost expectation for January 2024. To start with, cost at $0.31. Greatest cost 31 cents. Least cost 26 cents. The normal for the month 29 cents. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 28 cents. Change for January 9.7%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. At the outset, cost at $0.28. Most extreme cost 34 cents. Least cost 28 cents. The normal for the month 31 cents. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 32 cents. Change for February 14.3%. Cardano cost expectation for WOC 2024. First and foremost, cost at $0.32. Greatest cost 32 cents. Least cost 25 cents. The normal for the month 29 cents. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 27 cents. Change for spring 15.6%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. In the first place, cost at $0.27. Greatest cost 27 cents. Least cost 21 cents. The normal for the month 25 cents. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 23 cents. Change for April 14.8%. Cardano cost expectation for May 2024. First and foremost, cost at $0.23. Greatest cost 23 cents. Least cost 20 cents. The normal for the month 22 cents. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 21 cents. Change for May 8.7%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. At the outset, cost at $0.21. Most extreme cost 21 cents. Least cost 19 cents. The normal for the month 20 cents. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 20 cents. Change for June 4.8%. Cardano cost expectation for July 2024. Initially cost at $0.20. Most extreme cost 20 cents. Least cost 16 cents. The normal for the month 18 cents. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 17 cents. Change for July 15.0%. USD to ADA conversion scale equivalent to 3.2165 Cardanos per $1. The present reach 3.0883 3.2573. The earlier days nearby 3.2331. Change for now 0.0166. 0.51%. Dollar to Cardano gauge for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2027 United States dollars. to ADA expectations for July 2023. In the first place, cost at 3.448 Cardanos, greatest cost 3.846. Least 2.632. The normal for the month 3.239. The United States dollars to ADA estimate toward the month's end 3.030. Change for July 12.1%. Dollar to Cardano estimate for August 2023. To start with, cost at 3.030 Cardanos, greatest cost 3.333. Least 2.564. The normal for the month 2.946. The United States dollars to ADA conjecture toward the month's end 2.857. Change for August 5.7%. United States dollars to ADA expectations for September 2023. At the outset, cost at 2.857 Cardanos, greatest cost 3.704. Least 2.857. The normal for the month 3.217. The United States dollars to ADA figure toward the month's end 3.448. Change for September 20.7%. Dollar to Cardano figure for October 2023. Initially cost at 3.448 Cardanos, most extreme cost 4.000, least 3.448. The normal for the month 3.650. The United States dollars to ADA gauge toward the month's end 3.704. Change for October 7.4%. United States dollars to ADA expectations for November 2023. To start with, cost at 3.704 Cardanos, greatest cost 4.000, least 3.448. The normal for the month 3.714. The United States dollars to ADA estimate toward the month's end 3.704. Change for November 0.0%. Dollar to Cardano estimate for December 2023. First and foremost, cost at 3.704 Cardanos, greatest cost 3.704. Least 3.030. The normal for the month 3.416. The United States dollars to ADA figure toward the month's end 3.226. Change for December 12.9%. United States dollars to ADA expectations for January 2024. Before all else, cost at 3.226 Cardanos, most extreme cost 3.846. Least 3.226. The normal for the month 3.467. The United States dollars to ADA figure toward the month's end 3.571. Change for January 10.7%. Dollar to Cardano figure for February 2024. Initially cost at 3.571 Cardanos, most extreme cost 3.571. Least 2.941. The normal for the month 3.302. The United States dollars to ADA estimate toward the month's end 3.125. Change for February 12.5%. United States dollars to ADA expectations for WOC 2024. To start with, cost at 3.125 Cardanos, greatest cost 4.000, least 3.125. The normal for the month 3.489. The United States dollars to ADA gauge toward